This is Sync Licensing 101, a multi-part series where I cover everything you need to know about sync licensing. The question for today is, what is sync licensing? To make it very simple, sync licensing is pairing a visual component with some sort of audio component to create an audio-visual product that is then sold or streamed. And from the perspective of a producer or an artist that makes the music, you are creating the audio component that is being paid out a sync license fee. And this fee is paid for the master recording as well as the composition, meaning if you are an original writer and you are making all the music for yourself, you are going to be the master recording owner as well as the composition owner. One situation where you wouldn't be owning the composition is if you did a cover of a song and made a cinematized version for sync. You would only get paid the master recording fee. The other portion would be paid to the original composer. Three of the main factors that determine how big that fee is going to be is the territory, the duration, as well as the medium it is going to be played on. And some examples of a sync placement would be getting your song used in a video game like GTA, used in a TV show like Love Island, placed on a Google ad to advertise their new phone, or used in an upcoming movie trailer. And that's just to name a few. There are hundreds and hundreds of different ways you can be syncing your music with different visual components, and it's always worth keeping in mind that each one will provide a different benefit and a drawback. If you have any questions about sync, write a comment down below. We'll be answering that in a future video.